Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Today I'll be sharing a traditional recipe for salted fish curry. This curry will be thick and taste spicy and sour, and it's really appetizing. For this dish, we need a few pieces of salted red snapper bones. We can also use any other fish bones depending on your preference. Cut the fish bones into smaller pieces like this. Today I'm using clay pots just like how our elders used to do. Heat a little oil and add the fish bone. Fry just for a while, not too long. Remove and set it aside first. By using the same oil, add 6 stalks of dried chilies. I already cut it into half. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Stir for a moment to let the mustard crackle. One tablespoon of cumin seeds. One teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. One tablespoon of dal. Nine cloves of garlic cut in half. Stir after adding each ingredient so that it cooks evenly. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Add in 2 stalks of curry leaves. It's getting fragrant. These are about 20 whole shallots. Add in all without slicing. Now I just stir and let it cook for a while. These onions gives a unique taste to this dish. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Don't add too much because the fish bone is already salty. Three tablespoons of dried chili powder. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Stir for a while. Add in 1 diced tomato. You can replace it with half cup of tomato puree. One cup of tamarind juice. To make this tamarind juice, dissolve a marble-sized tamarind in 1 cup of water. Now stir until everything is well mixed. You can add a little water if necessary. Now it's time to add the fried fish bone that we fried earlier. Push it in so that the fish bone sinks into the gravy. Cover and let it simmer over a small fire. Leave it to cook for about 30 minutes. When the gravy thickens, turn off the heat and let it rest for a while. Alright, salted fish curry is ready to serve. My family loves this salted fish curry, even it's just paired with papadam. Please try this at home and post your opinions in the comments below. That's all for today's recipe. Please stay home and stay safe. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for my latest recipes. And don't forget to like, comment and share.